Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about laws of logarithm, how we are going to get them proved. For most of the students, proof of the laws of logarithm is a difficult task, but let me tell you there are only 5 steps. If you follow those steps, if you take them on your fingertips, you are going to realize the laws can be proved magically. Before we start with the proof of the laws, let us see what are the laws basically. If you multiply two numbers, their log would be equal to the sum of the logs of the individual numbers. The coefficient of the log would be equal to the difference of logs of the individual number. For the power, the number that is taken on as the exponent, it comes as the coefficient. And this is the change of base formula. If we want to change the base of a log from number A to number B, then we have got to get a certain number multiplied to it. When we have done with the proof of this law, inshallah, we are going to practice this fourth law again and again, because this is the basic law that is being practiced again and again, and that is being applied again and again in mathematics. Before we start with the proofs of the laws, we are going to consider some basic concepts that would be used here in the proofs. We are going to learn them. Base, and this is the log that is equal to this number. When we are going to get them converted into exponential form, this is the base. We are going to get it written here. Equal to the sign, the number after the equal to sign, it comes as the power, is equal to b. Taking into consideration the same method, we are going to get them converted into exponential form. A raised to power x is equal to m. And rest of the example I am not doing. It's an exercise for you. You can get the video freezed and you are going to write them by yourselves. Next, we are going to see how to change from exponential to logarithmic form. The same way, this is the base, we are all aware. So we are going to get the log written. Base over here, the number after the equal to sign comes here and the power comes here. Same way, log, this is the base. This comes over here, equal to, the power comes towards the other side. Here, y is the base, the power would come to the other side and this way. Next, you are going to get practiced by yourself. T is the base, m would come here, the power would come here. Here again, T is the base, the power would come towards this side and this. Simple, easy, these concepts would be used in the proof of the laws. Now we are going to get the laws proved, but there are certain steps that we are going to learn on fingertips. When we are going to get the laws proved, step 1 would be, we are going to take the right hand side and suppose for x and y. Then we are going to get them converted from logarithmic to exponential form. For the proof, we are going to see for the left hand side and we are going to get it manipulated according to the requirement. Then again we would be converting them into logarithmic form and put back the values of x and y from the first step. These steps right now they would seem haphazard, but when we are going to work with the proof, you are going to see how helpful they are and how magically the laws get proved. We are going to work with the first proof. First law of logarithm is log to the base a of m into n is equal to log to the base of m plus log to the base a of n. Let us get them matched with the steps. We are going to see to the steps and we are going to get them proved according to the steps. Step 1 is take right hand side and suppose for x and y. Right hand side is log to the base a of m plus log to the base a of n. Suppose x is equal to log to the base a of m and y is equal to log to the base a of n. Next step is change into exponential form. We have already learned how we are going to get them changed. This is the base. This thing would come into the power is equal to m, and this is the base, this would come into power is equal to n. Third step is see for left hand side and manipulate. Now you see left hand side m and n are being multiplied, so we are going to get m multiplied by n is equal to a raised to power x multiplied by a raised to the power y. Same base, different parts, they are going to be added. Fourth step, change into log form. We have already learned this is in exponential form. For the log form, this thing comes into base, the power comes to the other side, and log of this number, and the last step, put back values of x and y from the first step. Values of x and y, x was equal to log to the base a of m, and y was equal to log to the base a of n. The law has been proved magically. This was just a magic. We are going to use all these steps for the proof of the second, third and fourth laws as well. The same steps, all the laws would be proved according to these steps. In the next video, you are going to see the proofs of second, third and fourth law, and the fourth law would be practiced again with different examples because it has got certain applications as well. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you want to learn about any topic in mathematics, you're requested to write it in the comment as well. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.